In this video, I'm going to show you how you can separate Discord audio in OBS. So this is easy if you follow along. I'll get everything set up for you. So what you need to do, make sure you've got OBS open and also make sure Discord is open as well. First we'll set things up in OBS and then we'll add on the audio track for Discord. So first open OBS and go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to output, then change the output mode here to advanced. You can then go to recording, and here where it says audio track, you're going to need 2 or more audio tracks. So by default everything's going to be recorded on one audio track, but if you want Discord to be a separate track, you need to select 2. So go ahead and select 2 or more audio tracks here. I'm just going to select 2 for the video, but you can have as many as 6. So just select, if you're following along, 2 audio tracks, then click apply, then click OK. So now we've got 2 audio tracks. We need to go to desktop audio, we need to go to advanced audio properties, and we can make the desktop audio come out on track number 1. So uncheck all of these other tracks. And then you've got the mic audio as well, which again we can have coming out of track number 1. You could separate this to track number 2 and then have another track for the Discord audio, but we're going to have the desktop and the microphone audio coming through track number 1, and then we're going to have the Discord audio coming through track number 2. So now we've got desktop and mic coming through track number 1. This is how it would usually come out anyway. Now what we can do is go ahead and add in Discord. So if you go to sources, you click on this plus button, you can then go application audio capture, and then I'm going to call this here Discord. Then we'll click OK, and we need to go ahead and click on window, and then you need to choose here discord.exe. So just make sure that it is open, then click OK. So now in your audio mixer you'll see you've got your microphone, which should still be working, and then you've got your desktop audio, and you've also got Discord. So go ahead and click on the 3 dots next to Discord. Then you need to go to advanced audio properties, and here where it says Discord, you need to make Discord coming through audio track number 2. So you've got your desktop and mic coming through audio track number 1. Discord is going to be coming through audio track number 2. So once you've unchecked every other track here, you can just see it visually. This is what it should look like. We can then close out of this. Now if we were to start recording, I can show you how this works. So now I'm going to click on start recording. I'll open up Discord to demonstrate, and I'll join a voice channel. So now I've got a video playing on Discord. This is just to simulate voice activity or audio on Discord. To the search bar and type in. So now I'm going to stop recording in OBS, and we'll drag it into an editing software and just show you that the Discord audio is in its own track. So this audio here is all Discord audio. So if anyone is having a conversation, it's going to record that. It's basically going to record all of your Discord audio and add it to a separate track.